The sky, a vast canvas of blue, often holds secrets. Invisible rivers flow within, carrying immense amounts of water vapor. These are atmospheric rivers, long, narrow bands of concentrated moisture. Originating over tropical oceans, they are driven by powerful winds. Like rivers on Earth, they transport vast quantities of water. When these atmospheric rivers hit land, especially mountainous regions like coastal British Columbia, the consequences can be dramatic. As the warm, moist air of the atmospheric river collides with the colder air of the mountains, it rises rapidly. This rapid ascent causes the moisture to cool and condense. The result? Torrential rainfall, often concentrated over a short period. Imagine a year's worth of rain compressed into a few days or even hours. This is the power of an atmospheric river. The south coast of British Columbia is in the crosshairs of a major atmospheric river event. This storm, predicted to be one of the most significant in recent years, has the potential to unleash chaos. Heavy rainfall is the most immediate threat, with some areas expected to receive over 200 millimeters or 8 inches of rain in a 72-hour period. To put that in perspective, that's more rain than Vancouver typically receives in the entire month of November. Such intense rainfall brings a cascade of dangers. Flooding is a major concern. Rivers and streams swollen with rainwater could overflow their banks, inundating homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure. Roads and highways transformed into raging torrents may become impassable, isolating communities and hindering emergency response. The very landscape can become treacherous. British Columbia is no stranger to the destructive power of atmospheric rivers. In November 2021, an atmospheric river brought unprecedented rainfall to the province. The resulting floods and landslides caused billions of dollars in damage and tragically claimed several lives. The city of Abbotsford was particularly hard hit, with the Sumas River overflowing its banks and transforming farmland into a vast inland lake. These past events serve as stark reminders of the potential consequences of atmospheric rivers. The scars on the landscape and the memories of those affected are a testament to the power of nature. As we brace for this latest storm, it's crucial to remember these lessons and heed the warnings of authorities. Section 4. Staying safe in the storm's path, a guide to preparation and safety. In the face of this impending storm, preparation is not just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Every individual has a role to play in ensuring their safety and the well-being of their community. First and foremost, stay informed. Monitor weather forecasts and warnings issued by Environment Canada and local authorities. Pay close attention to rainfall predictions, flood advisories and evacuation orders should they be issued. Prepare your home for the onslaught of rain. Clear gutters and downspouts to ensure proper drainage. Secure loose objects outdoors that could become projectiles in strong winds. Charge electronic devices in case of power outages. Most importantly, have an emergency plan in place. This includes knowing evacuation routes and having a kit prepared with essential supplies such as food, water, medication, and warm clothing. Section 5. Weathering the storm, a call to action and continued vigilance. As the storm approaches, we must face it with a spirit of collective responsibility. Check on your neighbours, particularly the elderly or those who may need assistance. Avoid unnecessary travel during the storm, and if you must venture out, exercise extreme caution. Remember, even shallow flowing water can be deceptively powerful. Beyond the immediate impact, the aftermath of the storm will require continued vigilance. Be aware of the potential for landslides, especially in hilly areas. Report any damage to authorities promptly. Let us face this challenge with resilience and compassion, knowing that by working together, we can weather this storm and emerge stronger as a community.